How to register for FAB Mobile Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how you can set up and register for mobile banking with First Abu Dhabi Bank. Let's get started. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step is to download the FAB Mobile App from App Store if you're using iPhone and Google Play Store if you're using Android. On the search tab, just search for FAB Mobile and then you will see up this link right here. Tap on this app and download it. Once installed, just open up the app and on the login screen, you will see an option for a new user or register. So if you're already a customer, all you need to do is tap on already a customer, or if you're new, tap on join FAB. And here you can just enter all of your login credentials. So if you already are a customer, you need to have a bank account on the FAB. And if you already have an account, all you need to do here is enter your customer identification number or your credit or debit card number. And once you have your ID or your card number, you will be prompted to enter some personal details like your account number or credit or debit details and register your mobile number as well. Make sure you have these handy. FAB will now send you a one-time passcode. So after you've entered your ID here, tap on I agree with terms and conditions and tap on continue. And you'll get the OTP on your mobile phone that was used to verify your identity in the process. Now you'll just have to create a login credential that includes setting up your username and password and choosing a strong password to make it secure. So once you have done that, the app may also prompt you to enable biometrics such as fingerprints or facial recognition for additional security. You can set it up to if your device supports it. And that's it. Now you've registered for the FAB Mobile Banking. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.